Hello everyone. In this session we are going to learn introduction to assembly modeling. Assembly is the combination of parts, components and sub-assemblies. These parts fit together in assembly modeling by the designer. There are two types of assembly approach. First is top-down approach, assembly to parts, and second type is bottom-up approach. Top-down approach is the designer creates an assembly file first and parts are modeled in this assembly file. And in bottom-up approach, the designer creates parts file for the assembly separately and then fits these parts in the assembly file. Your design basic shape dimension should be exactly specified for bottom-up approach. Mostly bottom-up approach is used in assembly. Placing components. Move the component command will be active after part added in assembly. The first select start point for the part on screen, then move component command will be active. You can change the position and direction of the part. Constraint. Assembly constraints command will be active after part added in assembly. You can mate a part on assembly parts. Okay, here we can see we will insert a new sheet. Click on assembly. Okay, from here you can browse a part. I will select this part and okay. If you want to move the part from here, you can rotate or move your part like this. And this is how you can insert your component in assembly environment. Okay, click OK. Here you can see software is asking you just added the first component to the assembly. Do you want to create a fixed constraint? Click on OK. This is how you can start your assembly or insert your first part in assembly environment. Okay, thank you.